For those of us alive at this time, the increase in temples and family history work is phenomenal. The pace will continue and accelerate until the second coming of the Savior, lest the whole earth be utterly wasted at his coming. Family history work, heaven blessed by technology, has dramatically increased in the past few years. We would be unwise to become complacent about this divinely appointed responsibility and expect that Aunt Jane or some other committed relative will take care of it. Let me share President Joseph Fielding Smith's jarring comments. None is exempt from this great obligation. It is required of the apostle as well as the humblest elder or sister. Place or distinction or long service in the church will not entitle one to disregard the salvation of one's dead. As individuals, we would do well to evaluate our effort in pursuing missionary, temple and family history work, and preparing to meet God.